this video we will learn to calculate the principal and rate when interest is given. So in this type question you will find that you will be asked to calculate principal as well as rate, and both the interest, simple as well as compound interest, is mentioned. Now look at the question. At the same rate of interest, the simple interest on a sum of money for 3 years is rupees 1200. Simple interest is mentioned as 1200 on a sum of money, principal is missing, and compound interest for 2 years is rupees 832. So it says simple interest for 3 years is 1200 and compound interest for 2 years is 832. Find the rate of interest and the sum of money. Now here we need to calculate two things. One is the rate, the other is the principal. Now let us take one by one, simple interest and compound interest. So here we assume principal as P and rate as R, and for simple interest time period is given as 3 years, and for compound interest principal, here again principal will be same and rate also will be same, and for compound interest here the time period is given as 2 years. In some questions you will find even the time period is mentioned as same. Now here from the first case, simple interest is 1200. Now simple interest is given by the formula principal into rate in time divided by 100. Now let us replace the value, principal, rate, and time is 3 years, and this will cross multiply, 3 will come down, so 3 4s are 12, so you get 40,000. So P into R is 40,000. Now among these two, P and R, you have to make one subject. Either you make P as the subject or R as the subject. So I'll go for P. So principal will be 40,000 by R. So here we got principal in terms of R. Now let's move on to compound interest. Compound interest is given as 832. So compound interest, its formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus 1. Now let us replace the value here. So in the last video, like here we use the formula a square minus b square because in that question this principle was mentioned. Now in this case, since this principle is in terms of R, so we will expand this one, 1 plus R by 100 to the power 2, using the formula a plus b whole square, which is a square plus twice ab plus b square, and this minus 1 remains as it is. Now square of 1 is 1, 2 1s are 2 into R, 2R by 100, and this is R square by square of 100 is 10,000. So 1 and 1 cancels. Now here we are replacing P from equation 1. P is 40,000 by R, so we are putting this value here. Now 1 and 1 cancels, so you get 832, 40,000 by R. Now this 2 are left. Now with this we need to multiply both. So this into this plus this into this. So if there is minus, you have to write minus. Now here this R and R gets cancelled. 20 gets cancelled. So 400 into 2 is 800, and R and from R square 1 R gets cancelled. So here you will be left with 1 R. Then 40 cancels, so you get 4 into R, 4 R. Now this 800 will go here, so we keep the like terms together. So this will be 832 minus 800, which is equal to 32, and this 4R remains here, so this 4 will go down, so you get rate as 8%. Now here we got the rate. Now we need to calculate the sum of money, that is the principal. Now this rate we will put in equation 1. So putting R equal to 8% in equation 1. So your equation 1 is P equal to 40,000 by R. Now replace the value of R. So it will go by 5 times. So you get 5,000. So principal is 5,000 and rate of interest is 8%.